everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Marie, and today we're going to be talking about how I make my bookmarks. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what you see here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. I read a ton of books. I order a new book off of Amazon probably every week. I just did it today actually, and I did it I think the day before. I go through bookmarks like nobody's business and I lose them, and if they're that papery flimsy, I meant flimsy. I wanted a nice sturdy bookmark. I went to my print shop and asked them about it, and I was like, dude, look, like I want to make a sturdy bookmark. And she actually suggested the board that you put behind your pictures in a picture frame. So picture board? Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember what it's called, but it's in the framing section of Hobby Lobby. I got my big board for $13. I cut a little sliver out of it and took it to my print shop. And I said, hey, can you cut me out some bookmarks? And I actually did the holes at the top too. I was pretty happy. And I was like, hey, can you print my art on it as well? Let's just like see how it works, you know? Worst case scenario, it turns out like crap. And the worst case scenario happened, it turned out like crap. I don't know if you can see this. Focus camera, okay. This is how it turned out. As you can see, the edges are grimy and crappy. And then even the texture is like stupid and weird. But they did really good on cutting it, just not printing it. So maybe they should just be a cutting shop and not a printing shop. But that sounds kind of violent. So I was like, well, maybe I can just like paint on it and see what happens. Bingo. I do have to be super clear about something. I realized that in the middle of filming this, I was painting over a cross like a week after Easter. That gives off some sort of weird like anti-Christianity vibe. And like, I just want everybody to know that I'm a Christian and I've been a Christian for like 11 years now. So I'm not really doing no anti-Christianity thing. It just kind of looked like crap. I feel like this could have been sacrilegious because really honestly, the print shop made the cross worse. So in my defense, I didn't do it. I just kind of, okay, now I'm like backtracking and I'm getting super sweaty. Woo! First thing I had to do was paint it black in order for the paint to stick to it. I was gonna paint the other side black, but then I was gonna save that for later because my hands are super sweaty and like I'm gonna get gunk on them. So I would rather paint it black after I get my gunk on it. That sounded bad. It's really just sweat. Like there's no gunk on my hands that I know of, that I'm aware of. Why is this going so bad so fast? I decided to paint a garden scene just because I was super inspired by these oil painters on YouTube. Oh, cool. My husband's home. Hola, muchacho. I'm filming, so shut up. Just kidding, I love you. Yeah. I did not consent. You consented. I used Liquitex paint because that was basically all I had. I used some folk art paint, but most of it was Liquitex. And I also used a blending medium. That worked out really good.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
And so here's the deal. So if you notice the flowers just pop out of nowhere, I have shots of me painting the flowers, but I don't know where they went. I guess they just disappeared. I'm not sure. So after I painted them, I got a sealer, and I got this sealer from Walmart, and it was $6 or $7. So it was kind of expensive, and I couldn't decide on whether I wanted the matte or whether I wanted the glaze. but I ended up trying both of them, and I think the glaze looked a little bit better than the matte, because the matte looked like there wasn't even a sealer at all. So the glaze was actually really nice because it had a shine to it. However, they sort of smell kind of bad after you seal it. So, and also I would recommend using a respirator because it smells really chemically and really bad. So I did mine outside, and here are some clips of me running away from the smell. Sorry, Rim. We gotta get back to Johnny Depp. It's pretty serious. And finally, I just got some ribbons from Walmart, and I thought the burlap looked really cute. So I got some burlap from Walmart for like $2, and we did a fancy loop.
I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me.
And yeah, they turned out really good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you make your own bookmarks and how you like them. As always, like, subscribe, comment. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment. Be true to yourself. Later.